watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.
Fall is a wonderful time to bring warmth and coziness into your home, and you don't have to break the bank to do it. In this guide, we'll explore 25 cool and creative ideas to spruce up your space using items you may already have or can easily find. These ideas are simple, effective, and perfect for those looking to decorate on a budget. Chalkboard sign. Transform a simple chalkboard into a fall masterpiece by decorating it with berries, greenery, and a plaid ribbon and bow. Wicker chests and baskets. Repurpose your wicker chests and baskets, typically used for storing towels and pillows, as part of your fall decor. Pumpkin stands. Use rustic candle holders as stands for your pumpkins, adding a creative touch to your fall decorations. Old shutter sign. Take an old shutter and turn it into a vibrant fall sign, an easy and budget-friendly idea. Pumpkin display on porch. Use shabby sheet crates to create a striking pumpkin display on your porch. Heirloom pumpkin centerpiece. Combine large heirloom pumpkins with fresh eucalyptus and candles for a beautiful fall centerpiece. Amber bottles with greenery. Place fresh branches with greenery and berries into amber bottles for a charming fall display. Pumpkins and fall blooms. Arrange natural pumpkins and homegrown fall blooms on your indoor or outdoor steps. Wooden bowl centerpiece. Fill a wooden bowl with acorns, greenery, and white pumpkins for a natural fall centerpiece. Rustic fall decor. Create rustic fall decor using fall leaves, wheat, apples, and pumpkins for an authentic autumn look. Mantle decor. Decorate your mantle with natural pumpkins, pine cones, greenery, and gourds, adding candles for a cozy effect. Vintage jug arrangement. Fill a vintage metal jug with fall leaves and berries for a beautiful home arrangement. Dough bowl centerpiece. Use a dough bowl to display pumpkins, gourds, and green leaves as a stunning fall centerpiece. White chair decor. Adorn a white chair with fall leaves, pumpkins, corn husks, and greenery to enhance your home or porch. Porch decor. Combine pumpkins, green leaves, and candle lanterns for simple yet effective porch decor. Styled fireplace. Decorate your fireplace with natural pumpkins, dried grass, leaves, and branches for a warm fall atmosphere. Leaf and apple decor. Use a combination of fall leaves, fresh apples, and a greenery wreath to create natural and inviting decorations. Mantle with leaves and pears. Decorate your mantle with fresh branches, leaves, and pears for a unique and non-typical fall look. Tall vase display. Fill a tall vase with pine cones, gourds, pumpkins, and leaves, using fall elements for a long-lasting effect. Fall pumpkin centerpiece. Create a cool fall centerpiece using fall pumpkins made of fabric, paper, or plastic, along with pine cones. Garland with berries. Make a garland of fall leaves and berries to decorate your mantle, shelf, or window. Wire basket with fall pumpkins. Fill a wire basket with fall white pumpkins for a decoration that will last throughout the season. Fall wreath. Craft a wreath using fall pumpkins, gourds, berries, pine cones, and cotton for a durable and stylish fall decoration. Velvet pumpkins and fall blooms. Use bright velvet pumpkins and fall blooms for long-lasting fall decorations. Pumpkin stack on wreath. Stack fall pumpkins on a wreath made of vines, berries, and nuts for a durable and festive fall centerpiece. These budget-friendly fall decor ideas prove that you don't need to spend a lot to create a warm and inviting space. By repurposing items and getting creative with your decorations, you can enjoy the beauty of fall without stretching your budget. Happy decorating!